Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by saving and backing up your game so you can revert changes. This protects persistent households. Next, open the cheat console and type testing cheats true. This unlocks advanced options. Once done, type CAS, full edit mode and press enter. This is the command that lets you load Townies into Create a Sim. You're doing this because the game normally restricts Townie edits, and these steps temporarily lift those limits so you can modify appearance directly. Now, find the townie you want to change in the neighborhood or household panel. Shift-click their portrait and select Modify in CAS to load them. You can manipulate face sliders and genetics to reshape features, change body sliders, swap hair and clothing, and apply new makeup or tattoos. Do it deliberately so proportions remain natural. Also update age, traits, and voice to reflect visual changes. This keeps gameplay coherent. Make small incremental edits, and finish by saving your edited townie in CAS and exiting back to the game. Then immediately save again to commit those changes to the world file. If the townie reverts after a reload, make sure custom content or mods aren't forcing original assets. Disable those and try again. You can also reload the neighborhood using Manage Worlds to refresh NPC data. If problems persist, restore your backup and redo, steps one change at a time, so you can identify the conflicting asset or action.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.